Hi guys, what's going on? This is Daniel from Danny D Affiliate, and welcome to this training. And in this strategy, I'm going to teach you exactly something, one of the most underrated ways to make money online. You know what is funny, Pass? Do you know what is much more funny? Okay, I'm actually speaking in Nigerian accent. Do you know what's very funny? Is look at this, for example. Now look at this platform. This is a Telegram account. You can see this guy has over 2,500 subscribers, right? Now let me tell you exactly what this strategy is all about. This platform, I actually got this strategy from this guy, and he actually sells premium apps for just 1,000 naira. You know, there are so many premium apps out there, like for example Truecaller. For example, if you have a Truecaller on your phone, they have a premium version, they have the basic version. Okay, for the premium version you actually have to pay for it, but on the internet there are people who have been able to remove the premium part of it so that anyone can access the premium without actually having to pay for it. So you can easily have access to these and then sell them. They are available on the internet for you to use. It's just that you need to get knowledge and understand that truly if people knew that they could actually use the premium access like this, they wouldn't bother buying it. So that is where you come in place. This is have you ever heard of the word use what you have to get what you want? So that is practically how the strategy works. So now let me show you what it means. This guy actually gives out over 200 premium apps, and he sells everything for just 1,000 naira. And then everyone who have registered on this Telegram channel or on this Telegram channel have actually paid 1,000 naira per the package. So now let's make a basic calculation. So if we have over 2,501 people who have actually paid for this, then I open up my calculator here, 2,501 people. Okay, multiply by just 1,000 naira per person, and this is over 2.5 million naira this guy have made it by selling premium apps. And he doesn't care because he's actually making his money. So whatever people say is not a problem as long as he's not doing anything legal, because he's not the one hacking the apps. The apps are actually available on the internet to be downloaded. So, but it's not everybody that knew about that. So because he knows about that, he's making use of it and he's making money. And this is one of the most powerful strategy that anyone is people are underrating, and you can make millions of naira using this strategy. So I will urge you to try that. Since you are not going to be paying for anything, it's actually free. So just try it out. This should actually give you money within 1 week. I'm promising you that if you give it a trial, within 1 week you are making money from the strategy. So now let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to be doing this step by step. Okay, step by step. So the first thing you want to do right now is want to make sure we get a list of premium apps that people are going to be interested in. Okay, I'm actually going to be recommending about over 20 valuable apps. Okay, over 20, and I'll put down a list. Okay, let me show you the list I have on board. So I've listed about more than 21 to 3 4 5 over 30 that are very useful. You can see I have Netflix, Canva Pro, Pixel Lab, Power Director Pro, X Recorder, Adobe Photoshop, KineMaster. You can actually use this. Okay, you can actually use all of these. And I think I'm going to be leaving the link for this below this video so that you can just click on and access it. But I've not done everything. I only did 3, so I'm going to be doing like this number 4. I'm going to show you exactly how to do. But the first thing is that you have to list them. Okay, list the apps that people are going to be needing, like the Truecaller, like the YouTube Premium. You can actually get the YouTube Premium version. Actually having to pay for it. You have the CapCut. Okay, CapCut is an editor which a lot of people use. Okay, TikTokers use to make videos. And then you can actually download the premium version which actually having to pay for it. People need that. Grammarly, WhatsApp tool. We have WhatsApp autoresponder. We have the TuneMe. We have Adobe Lightroom, KineMaster, and so many others like that. Even Netflix. These are very important apps. Canva Pro. These are important apps. Okay, so that is the first thing you want to do. Make sure you get valuable apps first. The once that is done, then make sure this is step 2. Step 2, we need to package the links on the Google Doc. So now we need to do this step by step. So I'm going to actually just do just 2 of this. So all you have to do right now is to open, this is Power Director Pro. So you have to open a new tab and just search for download Power Director Pro mod APK 2023. This you can actually use it for. You can also download it for Apple. Okay, for Apple apps. Okay, that is for iPhone. Just change this one from APK to iOS. So the same thing like that. So click on enter. So once you click on enter, you can see now that there are a lot of, it's actually a lot on Google. So you're not the one, they have already done the work for you. So all you have to do now is to click on them. I will actually recommend you download the apps first on your phone and make sure it's working, because you don't want to sell things that are not working. People will complain. So now, once you've downloaded the app and so that it's actually working out fine, all you have to do now is to come down where it says download APK right here. right click and copy the download link. This is the download link, copy it. Okay, copy the download link, then go back right here, then highlight this, then put in the link, paste the link and apply. Bam, you've applied it. So let's do that for X Recorder also. So we want to go back right here and change this part editor to X Recorder Pro. Okay, so let's do that. And you can see we have it on this place right there. Just click on it like that, and right click, copy the download link. You can see it says premium unlocked. Okay, so go back here and highlight this. Once you've highlighted that, click on link and paste it right there and apply. Okay, practically you want to do this for all of these apps. Do this for every of these. Once that is done, then you are good to go. Then let's go to the next step. Okay, step 3. Now people need to pay you for this. Okay, so you need to create a payment page on Seller. All right, we need to create a payment page. I use Seller a lot because Seller allows me to make money from any currency. So you have to create a Seller account if you don't have. So you want to come down here and come to seller.co. All right, just go to seller.co or click on the link below this video. Okay, there's a button below this video so that you can use it to access Seller directly. Just click on the start selling, but I already have an account, so let me click on login. You have to put your account details, obviously. Once that is done, you want to come down here and go to product, add products. Okay, so you want to click on add products and then click on digital products. All right, so let's wait for this to load. So now when you click on digital products, then pause here because we are going to be creating the next step. So once you've opened this up, then just leave this for now. The next thing is to create a banner. All right, so we want to create a banner advertising our 20 premium apps. So what I do is to go to Canva. I go to canva.com and I'm going to show you exactly what I have done. Okay, so now this is my Canva and this is exactly what I've done. You can see get 20 plus premium apps, YouTube premium, CapCut premium, Truecaller premium, WPS premium, everything that. So I've done all of this. So you just have to do your own. Okay, you just have to edit your own 20 more plus. Just put the fee there, 1,000. I can put 500 there, anything you want. Then all you have to do now is to download your banner and download. My banner is downloaded. So now once that is downloaded, then go back to you actually have to go back to Seller. Then come down here, then upload your image right here. That is done. Now I want to put the name of the product, 20 premium apps. You understand? 20 premium apps. Then you want to put the price 1,000 naira, 200 naira, 500, anyone you want. So I just recommend 1,000 naira. You can put 500 naira for a start. They want to write some details here about the product. You want to just like come and put in the list of the product. So let me just show you exactly the one I've done. So you can see this is the one I've done right here, and you can see 20 premium apps, 1,000 naira. So this is it. Get 20 premium versions of valuable apps that makes life easy. I've put the names of the apps there that you're gonna get. Then marketing and sales, affiliate marketing. Then you want to make sure you uncheck this one and check the automatically redirect buyer to the external URL after purchase. Then you want to go back to your Google Docs right here. Make sure after you are done with everything, click on share from here. All right, then you want to change this to anyone with the link, then copy the link. Then you want to go back to right here and paste the link right there, the Google Docs link, paste it right there and update your product. Are you getting that? Update your product, and this is your page, your premium page. This is where they're gonna buy it. Okay, so all you have to do is to click on buy now. So now go back right there and copy this link. Make sure you save this link somewhere. Okay, copy this link, copy link. Now our next step is to join. We're gonna be joining join Make Money Online Telegram group, Facebook group, or WhatsApp group. That's very important. You can go to Telegram and search for how to make money online, or go to Facebook groups and join how to make money online groups. Join a lot of groups. Once you're done joining those groups, all you have to do is to advertise. Let me show you what to do. So I'm here on my Facebook account right now. So all I have to do is to click on groups. So once I click on groups, so we have a lot of groups right here. You can see I've joined a lot of groups right here. So let me just pick one of this group, make money online. For example, this one, for example. So it's loading. So now this is the group. So all you have to do now is to write something, right? You want to create a post. Let's wait for this to load. You want to add a picture, which is the photo You want to add your that image right here. I'm coming, download, add the image right here. Then you want to just type in get 20 plus premium apps. Okay, that you do not need to pay for ever again. There is a big chance. 24 hours. 24 hours access. 24 hours to access this now. All right, so we'll just do that, and once you're done with that, click on post. It's as simple as that. Okay, then people are going to be messaging you, right? Just click on that, and we're going to post this. So you want to do this for multiple platforms. Okay, you want to do this for multiple platforms. You can run advert for it, no problem. If you can run advert, no problem. But if you don't want to run advert, it's very easy. Just do like that. Do multiple on, just do it plenty. Okay, do it on WhatsApp group, do it on Facebook groups, do it on Telegram groups, and trust me, people are going to message you and tell you they're interested. That's just the basic truth. People are going to tell you that they're interested, and once they get to you, all you have to do is to send them this link. Bam. And once you send them the link, they're going to buy it directly, and they're going to get access to this link, to this page right here, where they can just click on it and access it directly. It's as simple as that. You understand, guys? So go and try this strategy and make money from this strategy. Okay, go and make money. See you in the next one.